Hello, friends! Welcome to the DailyLingo Podcast. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we will talk about learning English and how to have fun while learning. You can listen anywhere, at home, walking, cooking, or even while brushing your teeth. The most important thing is to listen and enjoy. Why learning English with DailyLingo is fun and important. English is not just about words or grammar. It helps you meet new friends from around the world, watch movies and videos without subtitles, understand songs and sing along, travel confidently. With DailyLingo, you can get better every day and enjoy learning. Step 1. Make English part of your day. You don't need to study for hours. Small steps every day are very effective. Simple ways. Number 1. Talk to yourself in English. For example, when making breakfast, I am cooking eggs. I am drinking tea. This helps you think in English. Number 2, label things in your house. Put small notes on objects, door, table, chair. Every time you see it, say the word out loud. Number 3, use English in short conversations. Ask your friend, "How are you?" or "What are you doing?" Even short sentences help a lot. Step 2. Learn new words naturally. You don't need boring word lists. Watch videos about your hobbies. Love football? Watch football videos in English. Love cooking? Watch cooking videos. Read simple books or short stories. 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough. Use apps for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Learn words and phrases in a fun way. Tip: don't try to remember everything. Just make sentences with new words and use them. Step 3. Speak without fear. It's normal to feel nervous when speaking. Do you make mistakes? Perfect! Mistakes are the best way to learn. Say a wrong word, you'll learn the correct one. Forget grammar? Try again. Pronounce a word wrong? Improve next time. Daily lingo advice. Imagine you are talking to a friend. Be kind to yourself and don't worry about perfection. Step 4. Fun exercises for everyday life. Here are some practical tips you can try today. Number 1. Talk to a language partner. Online or in your city. Even 10 minutes per day is great. Number 2. Watch short videos and repeat phrases. Pause the video, repeat the sentence, try to copy the pronunciation. Number 3. Keep a small notebook. Write 3 new words every day. Make short sentences with them. Number 4. Sing English songs. Find lyrics online, sing and enjoy. This helps pronunciation and memory. Number 5. Record yourself speaking. Speak 1 to 2 minutes about your day. Listen later. You will see your progress. Step 5. Make English fun in real life. Order food online in English. Ask friends simple questions in English. Play simple English games or use apps. Cook using an English recipe. Daily Lingo reminder. The more you use English, the more confident you become. Extra tips for motivation. Number 1. Set small goals. Example, learn 5 new words per day. Speak English 5 minutes a day. Number 2. Reward yourself. After practicing, watch a favorite video, eat a snack, or go for a walk. Number 3. Keep it simple. Don't worry too much about grammar. Focus on communication first. Number 4. Mix fun and learning. Watch movies, listen to music, read comics or short stories. Rainy day English practice with Daily Lingo. Rainy days can feel boring, but small activities make them fun and useful. Number 1. Read a short book or story. Number 2. Watch an English movie or video. Number 3. Write about your day in English. Number 4. Talk to a friend online. Number 5. Listen to an English song and sing along. Number 6. Try a new recipe using English instructions. Even rainy days can be happy and productive. Your turn. Now I want to hear from you. What is your favorite way to learn English? What do you do on a rainy day? Write in the comments. Let's help each other and enjoy English together.